This is a video to apply for the Google Drive application authorization from Google. So we're going to demonstrate how a teacher is going to log into our service and access their Google Drive to prepare an assignment for a student. So the teacher first goes to start drawing, clicks on start teaching. So now they are currently logged in as an anonymous user. This is just a welcome tour which I'm going to skip for now. And now the teacher logs in using their account. So I'm going to use Shubham. Sign in. Okay, so now I'm logged in as Shubham. Okay, and now the teacher I'm going to open up this menu bar just to show you the options available. We are going to use the upload file option. So I'm just going to collapse this to get some more space. This is the upload file option, and I'm going to use the Google Drive option. So now we have to choose the account, and I'm going to try and maximize this as much as I can. I'm going to use Shubham Chaudhary as the account. Before I select the account, I'm going to try and identify the exact application, the project code for us. This is a little tricky to navigate through this URL, so let me see if I can. Oh, there it is, the client ID. Right, so this is 937905831686. I have a separate tab here which I have used specifically for the Google Cloud platform. This is our project information whiteboard, and this is the project number 937905831686. Is the same number. Let me go back to my choose account window. So I'm going to select Shubham Chaudhary. Okay, now of course this is the consent that the user has to give, so I'm going to click advanced. You see all the Google Drives, allow it. This is our Whiteboard.chat user. You can see the username as well. Going to allow. Okay. Go back to our Whiteboard.chat. This is our file picker from Google. The teacher has 4 PDFs in their Google Drive. Let's pick this one, which is a place value chart PDF, which is a math assignment. Click select to upload the file. This is now uploading our document. So the PDF file has been uploaded as an assignment. This has 3 pages, so I'm going to go to our page navigator. Shows you 3 files, or 3 pages rather. Okay, and now the teacher can invite students using an invite URL. So they go up to the top right, click on invite. This is the invite URL. I'm going to open an incognito window to have a student view of the board. So this allows me to look at the board from a student's point of view. I will paste the invite URL here. Now I am joining as a student. Okay, so we have the student in the dark blue and the teacher in the light blue on the left hand side. The teacher can now set this particular PDF as a background, and then let's say the teacher wants to add some instructions. So the teacher can say and then move it into this PDF here, and the student view automatically updates with those instructions. The student can then also annotate their own board here. So for example, let's say the student adds some text here, and then start working on their own assignment as well. So let's say they add some stuff here, and so they can continue working on the assignment, and the teacher can then go into this grid view and observe the students as they work on their assignments. So you can take a slightly bigger view of this. So you can see the student is working on this. This is Steve working on the assignments. Hope that helps. Thank you.